Hey everybody, Tom Francione for another edition of Tom's Toolbox. I'm going to do something today that I have never done, and that's patch a pothole in the rain and in the sun. So why don't we all take a ride real quick and let's get this bad boy going. You always want to make sure you sweep the hole out. You can leave the water in, but get the big loose debris out of there. So you get the loose debris out of the hole, and again, you can leave water in there because Easy Street works in water, not a problem. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our handy dandy 50-pound bag, and we're gonna fill this bad boy. As you see, the Easy Street just pours right out of the bag. Look at that. I can't believe I've never done this before. There's also water in this pothole because Easy Street works in water. Did I tell you guys that yet? I think I did. Look at that. The Easy Street, you always wanna leave a little bit of a crown above the surface. Half inch to 3/4 of an inch for that secondary road compaction. So I'm gonna go ahead and put another bag on top of this. When I'm patching, I typically like to leave my bags like that so I can always remember that I'm using Easy Street. I'm pretty lucky today. Typically you can wheel roll this, hand tamper. You wanna get traffic on it right away. I've got this thing, a vibratory compactor. I'm gonna try and start it up right now. Oh, I gotta turn it on, sorry. Anything else with this? Just choke away? All right. Oh, there she goes. You hear that? I don't know if you can see me, I've worked up quite the sweat. Got a good shot of that, Gabe? It's very humid outside right now, and it's raining, but this is the perfect day to go patch potholes because typically when it's raining outside, it's always a good reason not to go patch potholes. But we've given you a reason to go patch potholes because Easy Street will work in it. Now what we have here is a guaranteed permanent patch. What does that mean? That means it's going to outlast the surrounding concrete and asphalt because Easy Street bonds the concrete, it bonds the asphalt, it bonds to itself. Get traffic on it right away. Instantly right for traffic. You don't have to cut off anything. As you can see, I left a little bit of a crown above the surface for a secondary road compaction. We have a beautiful patch right now. This is Tom Francione signing off. Really enjoyed it. Showing potholes who's boss.